morning, or afternoon. I don't know when are you gonna be watching this video, but today we're doing something super easy and nutritious and good for you and for your soul. I don't know for your soul, but honestly, it's so easy. We are sprouting lentils. So this is gonna take a few days, but minimal effort. So that's a good thing. And the reason why we're sprouting the lentils, it's because it breaks down the phytic acid and it helps digestion. Like, whoa. We're gonna use the sprouted lentils for a curry, for a sprouted lentil soup. You can use it in breads, in so many things. So with no further ado, so easy. The first step is try not to make a mess. But that's what happens. Messes happen in the kitchen all the time. So what we're gonna do with this beautiful lentils, brown lentils, we're gonna soak them in water. Hold on.
I just want to say
Hold
you're good.
Okay, here. Here, you come say hi.
Hi.
There we go. We're gonna soak them in water for at least 24 hours.
I do water?
And let's get some water in. So we're gonna let them soak for a day or a night, depending on the time that, I mean, you know, it's usually 12 hours to 24 hours. It depends. Hold on. The reason I use the strainer, because then it's easier, you know? When you're done, you just do like this. And also, I like to sprout them in the strainer. I feel like it's easier. So we're gonna leave this, guys. We're gonna cover them. Give me one. No, you're not gonna touch it right now. We're gonna cover them and check in with them tomorrow. See you later, sprouted babies. Or get sprouting, baby. Get sprouting. So we let them soak overnight, and now we're gonna drain them. You can see that they already started opening. Very gentle. And also yes, you can. And also they look puffier. So we're gonna rinse them. We're gonna take out all the water, and then once it's really rinsed, we're gonna cover them with a towel.
Yeah, so this is your face.
This is my face. Okay, so get back to the lentils, my love. Get back to the lentils. Now we are going to put them here. Come. Alright.
It's love.
Oh, so bumpy. Thank you, Audrey. And now we are going to cover them and do the same procedure. We're going to rinse them again in about a couple hours, and so on and so forth until you start seeing little sprouts. Day 2 of sprouting. So we had 1 day of soaking, 1 day of sprouting, and this is the second day.
I want to do that too.
You wanted to do that too? I'm just showing. And they're starting to sprout.
I see.
We're going to give it probably 1 more day.
Excuse me.
Doing the same procedure of rinsing and then covering. Rinsing twice a day. And then we'll come back tomorrow.
Lentils?
Last day. We're done. Look at these beautiful sprouts. I will link some of the benefits of sprouting lentils and eating sprouted lentils. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. This is amazing. Nature is just perfect. And we are going to eat this in an amazing soup. Get sprouting.